Good day to you. Kindly tell something about yourself.
Good day, everyone. I'm Eleanor Pilinio, born on June 12, 1973. Lastly, I was worked on a Filipino family here in the Philippines for almost 11 years. And now the child is 11 years old, almost 12 years old. Then I taking care of the child since birth. I feed. I do the feeding. The child when
Okay, when the baby was little, I mean when he's a little baby. So, what did you do to take care of him? Did you do the bathing?
I do the bathing. Then I change the diaper, feeding. Then when she got 7 years old, I teach them in his assignment. Then playing with the child.
Okay, so you from the start, from the when the baby since birth, you took care until 11 years old, right?
Yes.
Okay, so aside from taking care of the child, so what are your other household chores?
Cleaning the house, cooking the breakfast, the meals, and
Okay, so how about doing the laundry?
yes, I do that. I do the laundry every day.
Okay, so how about doing marketing job? Can you go to the market by yourself?
Yes.
Okay, so what is your main reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I decided to work for Hong Kong because I want to earn a big salary, and I want to help the medication of my mother. And I decided to work, and my employer give me the
Meaning your old employer, your previous employer supported you for that,
Yes,
for your decision
yes,
to
she
apply for
supported
abroad.
me.
Okay, okay. So finally, can you give us your message to your future employer?
Dear Sir, Ma'am, give me a chance to work in your country as a domestic helper, and I promise, and I'll do my best, and honestly do my work, my work as a domestic helper, and you can give me you can, and I can assure you that I honestly work with you.
Okay, very good. So I hope that you will be hired in Hong Kong very soon. So before we end this interview, kindly show us your very best smile. Thank you very much.